Step inside, and you'll discover a thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes space and functionality. The open-plan layout seamlessly integrates the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating a versatile and inviting environment for relaxation and entertainment. The living area is a cozy sanctuary, featuring comfortable seating, warm lighting, and tasteful decor inspired by the natural world. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or hosting friends and family, this inviting space offers the perfect ambiance for any occasion.